In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Atomi app. To get started, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the official app store where you can safely search for and install mobile apps. If the Play Store asks you to sign in first, go ahead and log in with your Google account so you can continue. Once you're inside the Play Store, give it a moment to fully load, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. Next, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Atomi PH. Make sure you enter it clearly so the correct results appear. After typing, tap Search on your keyboard to see the list of apps related to your search. Now this next part is important. When the search results appear, look for the official app title. It may show up as Atomi PH, Card, Loans, and Save, or Atomi PH, Buy Now, Pay Later. Titles can sometimes vary slightly depending on updates, so focus on matching one of those official names. You should also carefully check the developer name. It needs to be listed exactly as Neuron Credit Financing Company, Inc. This is a key step because it helps you confirm that you're downloading the legitimate app and not a copy or unofficial version. Take a second to read the app name and developer information before installing. This quick check can help you avoid downloading the wrong app, which is especially important when you're installing financial or payment-related services. If you see the correct title and the correct developer, then you're in the right place. Once you've confirmed that, tap the Install button. The app will begin downloading directly to your device. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. During the download, keep your device connected to the internet and avoid closing the Play Store until the installation is complete. After the app finishes installing, you'll be able to open it directly from the Play Store or find it on your home screen or app drawer. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the Atomi app. If you're following along on your own device, just take your time with the search and verification steps so you can be sure you're installing the official version.